Hey guys, what's going on? Craig here with BCraigTrades. Thanks for joining me again for another video. As always, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps out with the algorithm. And also go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you aren't subscribed already. You can join us and trading with us. The link to the Discord is in the first comment. It's pinned and it's also in the description. Whew, that's kind of hard for me to get all the way through without stumbling over myself. But let's go ahead and go, guys. I just want to talk to you guys about the market outlook, a couple plays we have made, and what I'm expecting the market to do this week. So for this week for the market, I do expect the market to be trading up. I think that the stimulus might get pushed through. The market's kind of hoping that does. That the Dems really don't have any pushback. They have the House and the Senate, so we should get a stimulus deal done and wrapped up without any big pushback or fighting. So I am in some SPY calls. I have some end of the week SPY calls. I had bought them right around here, and as you see, the market had dipped down. I believe I might have dip bought on them, but I knew the market would come back. Recently, I've been seeing the past couple weeks, the market's having it's having like two sessions in it. It will have like the morning session where it kind of pumps up, and then it sells off a little bit, plays around for a while, and then just ramps up. As you can see, going to power hour today, the market just cranked up. So I kind of been noticing that pattern. So I do have some SPY calls this week. What's that? 212, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, 212 expiration for SPY. I'm in those long term. I did pick up some Airbnb shares last week. I picked up some DraftKings last week, and I just picked up some more Tilray and ACB or cannabis for the stock portfolio. So even if you aren't trading options or aren't able to trade all day long, I do have a stock portfolio that I do trade. And add to positions, take away. Do I need to do to maintain that portfolio? And also, I do have some swing positions I'm in. Another swing position I am in is DraftKings. This one kind of it crapped the bed today a little bit. There were some glitches and outages last night during the Super Bowl. So this one's kind of out of favor today. You see, it broke that key level and this kind of it tried to get back there, really couldn't. I do have the 219 expiration on these, so I do have time for them to come back and recover a little bit. It looks like it's already started to recover. And after hours, hopefully pre-market it gaps up a little bit more. But that's just two of my swing trades I have one right now. Those are the only ones that I do have. Another play we had today was NIO. Shouts out to a couple. We have a couple new members. I think it was called one's called looking for attendees and something interpreter, I believe, but they were able to get in on this NIO. We had I forgot what time it was for NIO when we got in, but I believe it was right around here. It was during the morning pump. I saw NIO was kind of shooting higher after it came down a little bit, and then we were able to get in those. We ran those for about 166 a contract to a high of 270 a contract, so we were able to get 100%. I'm a little under 100% on that trade, and that was just a good trade, easy PC for us. We did pick up a couple more other trades, but those are more so swing trades that I'm just swinging during the week. Something I'm going to be looking at for tomorrow, which I probably should have been looking at during the day and got in the swing trade, was Mira. As you can see, Mira closed at 31.95. Right now, it is at 36 bucks. It is ramping higher. I should have been at some calls in this. Maybe I'll pick some up tomorrow for next week's expiration. But we'll see how that goes. This is kind of more just a ride the wave type of trend with Bitcoin. So we'll see how it goes. As you can see, Riot was up pretty big also after hours. I should have grabbed some of those, but it's okay. Tomorrow is a new day. We'll see what we get tomorrow in the market. So like I said, guys, I do expect us to keep gapping higher. We get the stimulus sauce that's really kind of the thing that's really gapping, not even gapping up, it's making the market go higher. I don't see anything really that's going to slow the market down per se. I do feel like it's weird. I feel like we never really get a good clean pullback, and we get like little pullbacks and higher. So so every time you are a little hesitant out there, you're clinching a little bit. Don't know if you're gonna get punched in the gut with a big market correction, but I can't see too big of a correction coming. A couple red days here and there, that's always healthy for the market, but I can't see a big red day coming at all. SPY's been trading pretty well. like I said, the stimulus talks that are going on for this week. Hopefully, that go ahead and passes through. If that does pass, the market will gap higher, and that's what I'm kind of expecting. Or anticipating. I'm anticipating SPY to go ahead. The Congress and to them go ahead and pass the stimulus through, and then for SPY to go ahead and gap higher. So maybe we push from the 390s to 395s, almost close to 400s on SPY, which would be at all time highs. I mean, SPY's at highs right now, all-time highs. So all indexes now are just about at all-time highs. So it kind of gets a little scary, for a little typey from there. But we'll take it day by day and trade by trade, and worry about today and this week, and that's about it. I think that's about everything I wanted to cover with you guys. Once again, if you do want to trade with us, I am on live voice narrating through options flow. Actually, before I leave, I did want to show you guys something. Let's see. I wanted to show you guys what some good flow looks like. I probably just got way brighter. Okay, there we are. So this is what I want to show you guys. This is some pin flow that came in, and these are pretty big sweeps. And and it's somewhat semi-close. So you had the 416 expiration, 203,000, 208,000 coming for the 140 strike. So pretty far out too. And then you had for 212. So this Friday you had the 116, 117, and 122 strike, which is right around where it's at right now. So I guess these guys are expecting a movement during this week. Is weird for so either during this week, or these guys out here expecting something before April 16th. So pin is on my watch list, just watching what it will do. And I'm just following the big boys in the trades, the easiest way to make money in this market. But yeah, guys, that's the last thing I want to go over with you guys. Remember, go ahead and smash that like button, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, join the Discord, leave a comment, good, bad, hate, tell me what I need to do better. You have some plays for me, anything I should be looking at, go ahead and drop a comment. And thanks for watching, guys.